In this video, we will be discussing the ANNKE 4K Security Camera System. I have provided the Amazon link to this security camera system in the description below if you want to know the latest price and check the reviews from people who have already purchased it. This system is designed for those who want high-quality surveillance for their home or business. The cameras offer 4K UHD resolution, delivering crisp and clear footage, ensuring every detail is visible. The wide dynamic range of 120 dB handles tricky lighting situations so that nothing gets lost in shadows or bright spots. One of the standout features is the AI motion detection. It can accurately detect humans and vehicles, reducing false alerts and keeping you informed about real threats. Paired with real-time push notifications on your phone, you always know what's happening, even when you're away. Another great feature is the built-in microphone, which allows audio recording. This adds another layer of security, letting you hear as well as see activity around your property. The system comes with a 4 TB hard drive pre-installed, supporting 24/7 continuous recording, and you can expand storage up to 16 TB if needed. Nighttime monitoring is excellent, thanks to color night vision, which provides vivid footage even in low-light conditions. The plug-and-play setup is straightforward with PoE, making installation hassle-free. The ANNKE Vision app ensures remote access anywhere, giving you control over your cameras from your phone. On the downside, wired installation may take some effort depending on your space, and to fully utilize the long-distance PoE mode, Cat6 cables are required. Overall, this ANNKE system combines high-resolution, smart detection, audio recording, and reliable storage to create a comprehensive security solution that's both practical and professional.